Hello, it's bringing back. Just figuring out the gravel situation. I'll turn you around, give you a look. It's just a quick one. Alright, so the temporary fix. If this is actually recording. Yes, it is. Right, I've got these, whatever they are, Lego-y things. You put them down, you put the gravel back in, and it just makes it more solid. These were destined for the skip, so perfect. Recycled them. There's a bunch more where these come from, so I'll just do it up to the end. If there's a big bunch more, I'll just keep going with all of it as much as I can. But this, hopefully, I need to let, now that it's down, I can see where there's a few dips, so I shall level that up a bit underneath. So hopefully that's going to help me not try to drop the giant beast that's in the garage. I'll show you when I've filled it in. And also £30, 2 stone, £2 at time of filming, so I'm now 14, 12 from 17, so good stuff. Right, see you in a sec. Well, that seems to have done the trick. I've steamrolled it with my car about 20 times up and down. I'm not sure if the sunlight's bleaching out the picture, but it seems to have crushed it down a fair bit. Not sure why that's... shadow, right, okay. I suppose the way to find out if it's any good is to try it if my camera phone doesn't fall off its little perch. Alright, I'm going to try it, leaving the side stand down, just in case I get in trouble. Well, it was better. Still not perfect. Yes, better on that bit I've just done, but then when I hit the end and the undone bit is still a bit iffy. To be honest, it really needs concrete. That thing is so heavy and going backwards, not good. When I do get it concreted, maybe we can make a slope all the way from the threshold of the garage to the curb, so I could maybe sit on it and paddle backwards. Anyway, that's where we are at the moment with me heavy breathing. Peace and love, up in Springy.